This happened in 2018 to a delivery driver named Mark, traveling through rural Tennessee during a heavy rainstorm. The highway was flooded, so he stopped at the only motel for miles. Riverside Inn, a dim, old building with flickering neon lights. Inside, the lobby smelled like wet wood and dust. The receptionist didn't even ask for ID. She just said, "Room 6, second floor. Don't stay up too late." Mark thought it was strange, but took the key anyway. As he walked upstairs, he noticed something odd. Water droplets on the stairs, fresh ones, like someone had just gone up. When he reached room 6, he paused. The door was slightly open. Inside, the lights were already on. He stepped in carefully. The bed looked slept in. The pillow was dented, and the bathroom light was still running. But the strangest part, a second set of muddy footprints crossed the floor, from the window to the bed and back again. Mark rushed back downstairs immediately. The receptionist was gone. Only a bell sat on the counter, still vibrating slightly, as if it had just been rung. Suddenly, his phone buzzed. Unknown number. He answered. A whisper came through. "Why did you leave the room?" He turned back toward the stairs. The hallway light at the top slowly turned on by itself, one by one, as if someone was walking toward him. Mark didn't wait. He ran straight into his truck and drove off into the storm. But in his rear-view mirror, he saw something in the second-floor window. A silhouette standing inside room 6, waving, like it had been waiting for him to come back.